This phone was initially doing unplugged charger. This Camon 19 Ci6 Camon 19 was doing unplugged charger. So I don't know. Right now it's no longer showing that unplugged charger. It's not coming up again. So it's not coming up again. I'll show you what to do. Before it was unplugged charger, now it's no longer showing anything, not even unplugged charger. What do we do in this case? Get our meter. Check the battery terminal first. I see here is ready. This place, this one is earth, is ready. This place is not ready. Why this one is ready? Now how do you trace it? Find out here is broken already. Find out from here. From here you can get connection from here. That means it's connected. Now you trace them. Now you put on this one. Now it's showing unplugged charger. Normally, either this one or this one is not connected. Right here, now you can find out this place is not connected. Then you use the one that is connected to trace. Trace everything here. Then trace this other side. You can see it's connected. Since here is connected and here is connected, then this other one, I don't know if you are seeing it, this other one should be the connection for the one that is not ready. Check them. It's not connected. Now get your jumper wire and make your connection. Make your connection from this place. From this place. Make your connection from here. Now I'll still make a diagram so that it will be good enough for you to see. Now see the connection. Don't bridge any, just see the connection. This one is connected to this place. This one is connected to here. While this one is connected to here. This one, in this case, from the video, from the initial distance, here is ready. Why here is not ready? Just get your wire and connect this one. Just get your wire and connect this one. And see, it's not charging. It's no longer showing unplugged charger. Can see the phone is charging. I see the charger. Normally before now it will shut down. You can't charge it. It's not charging. Here your work is done.